you and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the most likely to challenge. I'm basically going to be doing it with my childhood best friends. This is Sana and this is Tanisha.
Hi guys!
So can introduce yourselves if I want to.
No. I mean, I've known Sia all her life.
Yeah, since
That's my basic introduction.
Same, bro.
Yeah, no, Tanisha was scared of us initially.
Yeah, scared of y'all for life.
That's because
Like,
apparently
what?
I was a bully at some point. I don't
Apparently
believe
Not
it.
apparently,
She was.
Yeah.
She
yeah.
is.
really mean.
I'm
She
really
still
not.
is a bully, just
She's-
by the way. Just probably
She's just a
doesn't-
nicer bully now.
Yeah, she's a nicer bully. Anyway, so we've got the questions on Tanisha's phone,
Yeah, which is with you.
which is with me. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna read them out loud.
We are like.
Bro, I'm gonna type my hair. Maybe I'm not gonna type my hair.
I'm concerned.
So the first question is, who is most likely to be rich?
She's gonna be a doctor.
What the hell?
She's gonna be a doctor.
Exactly, she's gonna be a doctor.
She's
She's,
gonna be
obviously gonna be
all-
the richest. Dude, my face was
Oh my god. The wind is crazy. No, I don't. But by the time I start earning, they're already like going to be rich. Like by the time I start earning, you have to pay for my kids. What are you saying?
No, don't. But once you earn, you'll be the richest.
I'm loving this confidence in me.
Okay, who is most likely to be poor? Me.
I'm also gonna go with this.
Me. See,
For sure,
this is
for sure.
just look at this, guys. This is how much confidence they have in me. Who is most likely to always been? Who is most likely to? Who is most likely to have always been the heartbreaker? Me. Yeah.
For sure.
I knew that one. I
For
knew that was
sure.
going to be me. Okay. Who is most likely to give all their money to charity? I know who this is. I know.
I'm very confused. I want to be humble.
Wow. I
I thought you said my name.
Bro, I thought Tanisha, because she's literally the nicest person I know. So I was like, bro, Tanisha, who is most likely to be a drama queen?
Oh my god.
Likely to be?
Paul, I will tell you a story.
know.
Do you want to know the story now?
Yes.
Okay. So when we were younger, probably like 7-8 years old, so Sia and I used to have this like New Year's Eve tradition where I used to go to a house for a sleepover ever since I can remember. Okay. And this one year she decided that she just wants to cry
Oh my
the
God.
whole night because we were playing some game and she wanted to do some role and she was not getting that role because her sister was obviously bullying her. So she started the entire New Year's Eve I have spent with Sia crying next to me.
I cried
And
16 times.
That is how much of a drama queen she is just because she was not able to do. Oh my god.
Because I wanted to be
A
teacher,
scene.
because we were playing teacher.
Yeah.
I remember.
Exactly. Such a drama queen.
But I think even Tanisha's a drama queen.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like-
now
I'm
Tanisha
hundred
is.
now.
No,
I'm
no,
not a
no.
drama queen.
Now Tanisha is like more of a drama queen. Initially, Sia was like mad drama
Yeah.
queen. I think the hormones of it, Tanisha.
Who is most likely to marry a celebrity? Yeah, I'm loving all these answers. But who would I even marry, dude? The celebrities that I want won't want to marry me. Like Harry and all.
They don't have to be famous now. Like they can
Yeah,
be famous
that's
when
true.
you were getting married.
That's true. Who is most likely to always be happy? None of us.
I'm gonna put
I
all
don't
three.
know. No,
Not
I
me
don't think
for
anyone.
sure.
I don't think
hope
None
anyone.
of
everyone's
us. That's
always
what I'm
happy.
saying.
No.
How sweet. No, but none of us.
Yeah.
Basically, none of us.
We're
Wow,
not
we're
happy all
such
the time.
Depressed, sad
Yeah,
people.
for sure.
Who is most likely to do weird things in public? Me, basically.
I will go with Sana.
That is
Yeah,
also
that's
accurate.
That's true. That's
Sana-
true now.
Sana does
That's
not
true
care.
now.
She does
yeah.
not care.
Yeah, that is true.
Okay. Who is most likely to watch porn as soon as they wake up? Why, Tanisha? I have no idea what to say.
I'm not putting up.
I don't think Sana's ever going to watch porn in her entire life, so I know
Correct.
she's out.
Correct.
I don't think I'm going to do so. I'm just going to blame it on
Tanisha.
Tanisha.
I'm left with no one, so I'll go with you.
Wow, nice.
No, I think
How
Tanisha.
sweet. Okay. Who is most likely to have weird phobias?
We are scared of talking to taxi drivers.
Oh, yeah.
So
yeah.
anything scares us.
Me.
Everything.
No, I feel like Tanisha, but
But
I don't
she
think I'm
doesn't
scared
have
of
any-
gross things very easily.
Yeah, I'm scared of insects and stuff.
But
like
everyone's
anything
scared
that
of
can fly is scary.
I guess. I don't know. But you're mortally terrified of cockroaches. Like, so much so that once there was a cockroach in her wing, she would not come down to meet us because she could not come through her
I
wing.
remember.
Bro,
They used to kill them. No, there was not just one. There used to be like,
they were dead.
yeah, but they were third-partifying.
Who is most likely to get married first?
This is easy, no brainer.
Yeah,
Sorry.
She'll have a kid also before Sia and I get married.
for sure, for sure.
100%.
And she'd be happy also having a kid.
Yeah, I would.
She'll push one out and then she'll be like, enough. Cannot do this again.
Bro,
I want
Tanisha will die, dude, if she like
Yeah.
pushes a baby out. Look at her.
Her pain tolerance is close to
Zero. Yeah, zero. Tanisha wants to get married for the marriage function.
Yeah.
Not
My
because she
lehengas.
wants the husband.
Yeah.
I don't even care if there's no husband. I'll get married. I will
We'll also
just.
be happy to be
Yeah.
dance in a sangeet and all. We'll
Yeah,
have lots
for
of
sure.
fun.
I get it.
If she's single, she's still going to have shadi ceremony.
Her parents are going to be like, fund it on your own.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That Sia will be famous by then, and I'll ask Sia. I know Sia to get sponsored, or only for the wedding. I'll find some rich husband.
Look at this gold digger.
Who is most likely to be a gold digger? Now you know. Now you know.
This one.
Lol, first, initially I thought Sana would be. Sana would marry rich, but now
I told my
Maya-
parents this. So they're prepared.
She's told her scary parents that she has the scariest mom in the entire
You know,
world.
this
and
on
that is
YouTube,
damn
if she
chill.
sees this, she's going to like.
I will send this clip to her. I'll be like, Rupali Mastri, you have scared me in my
Wouldn't even
childhood.
She
have
won't.
it there. She wouldn't even dare
No,
to.
She wouldn't say hi to my
Message.
mother on like
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Because she's very scary.
I
She's
agree.
damn scary.
We are so scared of her, but if we have
Yeah.
to talk to her, talk to somebody, it would be Sana's mom.
Yeah, she's very practical that way. She's spoken to more people's like parents and convinced them to get their child out of trouble than she's ever told me to like get out of
Sana
trouble.
doesn't-
She just trained you enough.
Sana
to get into
doesn't get
trouble.
all these privileges.
Never. If I get into trouble, I get shouted at and then kicked out of the house.
Likely to- Who is most likely to get arrested for walking around naked?
No, none of us. I can't answer this question.
I think I would. Yeah, exactly, bro. Me.
No, I don't
It's
think
totally
so.
possible,
I
bro.
really
You
don't
never
think
know.
I think all of us are Sharif
Maybe not in India.
Yeah.
Not in India
Maybe
for
not
sure,
in
bro.
India. She'll be
bro.
like-
No, not in India.
Molested.
Bro, I get scared to wear shorts, water polo, naked, dude. Okay, the next one I know is me, so I'm not gonna say it only. Who is most likely to have two boyfriends at one time?
I don't think you would though.
I think Sana.
Wow.
I think Sana.
I
No,
can
no,
very
not
have
Tanisha,
fun.
never,
No.
not Tanisha.
If at all, Sia, not Sanya.
Guys,
If
no.
at all.
If at all, but I don't think either of like
Yeah,
I don't think
no,
any of us are
yeah.
capable
Yeah.
of having like two boys
We can
and like
handle one.
Yeah.
That's true.
Exactly.
That's true. I think we're all loyal. Nice and loyal.
More than loyal, we're pretty useless.
The only one who can get to is Sia.
yeah.
That's
is true.
not true.
That is true. That is true.
Bro, no, I should tell this to Salman.
For sure.
I'm sure he knows.
No, bro, he has no faith in me. Who is most likely to fall in love with his or her best friend? I know this one.
Yeah,
I know this one. Sana, when
Enough.
you know it's you. You know it.
Great. What a joke.
Lol. So, who is most likely to do plastic surgery? I don't know who.
Why?
I don't think Tanisha will.
No,
do.
I think so because she really likes having a perfect body.
No.
Yeah. What are you saying? See, you have to agree with me.
I will work hard for
chance.
it.
I really don't care about hurting the feelings.
Lol. Yeah, that's
Spoiling my
that's
reputation.
story of my childhood. I really don't care about hurting the feelings. Bro.
See, I've always been honest. What do you mean? What
Yeah,
are
yeah.
friendships?
I know.
Bully.
There was this one point in our childhood where we have all ganged up against Sana.
Yeah.
That
we
is how
were
much
like
of a
friends,
bully she
like,
was.
We needed unity to fight her.
But
Don't
we love
believe
Sana
all
now,
this.
don't worry.
She'll make
She
a
is,
video with me. What are you saying?
Yeah. See, now it's
Oh,
like
now?
now it's
Now.
just a joke, you know. That's Sana was a bully around
She loved
us.
me when she was younger also, and then
Of
they
course, of
fed her with these lies that oh Sana's a bully, Sana's
Yeah,
a
that's
bully.
true. Everybody else now grew.
Lies?
As she wasn't bullied, bro.
I mean,
She was a
I don't know,
chumchi.
but yeah, I was a chumchi. So I don't know if I was bullied into being a chumchi or I was just genuinely a
Like,
chumchi.
look at this cuteness.
Bullied it.
So innocent.
Bullied.
So
Exactly. This is how she got what she wanted.
lol.
No, but there was this one point where both of us used to just live at each other's houses when we were small.
Yeah, that is true.
Like literally, I don't know where she was at this point.
I
I
know-
used to be
I don't
scared
know.
of y'all, and I was like, no, I don't want to
so
be
much
friends
so
with
that I
these
know
people.
her mom's phone number, her grandmother's phone number, her.
Who is most likely to marry without love?
What the hell?
Not
No
Sana.
chance.
No.
Without love?
Yeah, like you would
Tanisha.
get into an arranged marriage.
Yeah. I feel
Like you would fall
Tanisha
into
will
love
be-
as the relationship goes ahead.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do that. I don't think.
I wouldn't be able to live with
Yeah,
someone
even
who
I
I don't
wouldn't.
love.
If at all from the three of us, it would be Tanisha.
Yeah.
For sure.
She's bullying me again.
How is that bullying? Is the truth? She also said Tanu. bitch.
Yeah.
Chumchi. She's just
Wow,
agreeing with everything
wow.
you're saying.
Tanisha is
She's
like-
agreeing with everything you're saying.
She's on her own trip.
Tanisha is on her own trip, correct. Who is most likely to live in a zoo?
Yeah.
Me.
Obviously.
Yeah, me for
No
sure.
brainer.
I would love to
She
live
will
a
fit
zoo.
in perfectly.
Bro, I would love to.
No,
live
and
in
she
a
just
zoo.
loves animals so much. She would just. Like, that would be
So
her
one
dream.
person.
Yes, that's
just
what
fit in the
I
Yeah,
would
exactly.
love. Bro, I don't live in a cage and all. Bro, actually, we should abandon zoos. So I probably wouldn't live in a zoo.
Yeah, that is true. No, like those open zoos.
Yeah. Correct. Now my questions are over.
Really?
They're over.
Did you? I don't even have my
Okay,
phone.
okay. Who is most likely to cheat?
Wasn't something
No.
like that there already? Like,
Oh yeah, probably.
dating two people at the
Oh
same
yeah. So that was also me only.
Yeah.
in a way.
It's her only, bro. I'm telling you, she has the most prospects. She has somebody else
Yeah,
to cheat
exactly.
on. If I had to do it, I would have to go find someone. I want to cheat with you.
Same.
No,
It's
bro,
pointless.
I don't get anybody.
Sure.
Who is most likely to get a divorce less than a week into her marriage?
No, bro, I'm damn confused. I'm
What
looking
the
at
hell?
the answers. Not Sarah. No.
I'm
How
sure.
Sarah? How?
She's very practical. She's like, bro.
No, I would stick
ऐसा
with
हो
it.
रहा है नहीं.
Yeah,
No.
then I think me, bro.
Yeah, I would stick
think
with
no,
it.
no.
For
One
sure.
down.
I would try to make it work as much as I could. 100%.
Wow.
No, no.
Bro, I think a divorce is damn bad.
No, but I feel like it'll be Sana.
Sure.
Maybe. I don't know.
Because
Maybe
Sia's a
future
little
can
bit of a
tell.
pushover.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Sana won't
Not
take shit.
me.
She'll be like,
Yeah.
bye.
She'll be like first day only you fucking shit.
Oi.
Fuck off.
Bye.
Who is most likely to have the hottest boyfriend?
Bro.
I don't think any of us, but if at all, I would go with Sia.
Yeah.
No,
For sure.
dude.
She's dating a celebrity.
For sure.
You better be hot.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
In our
Then-
future
then
that we are
maybe,
creating.
maybe.
Who is most likely to be awkward on her first date? Yeah.
I think all of us, except for Sana.
All of us means there are only two.
No.
girls.
No. I think only me and Tanisha because Sara's damn out there, bro.
I think I would
She's
intimidate the guy.
extra
He
out
would
there.
leave.
Yeah, the guy wouldn't know.
He would leave. This is why I don't
Bro,
get on dating apps.
Sada will always. I feel like Sada's always gonna end up making the first move out of all of us. She's gonna end up approaching the guy out of all
I
of
think
us.
Pranav's gonna disagree.
Oh, shit. No, but like that day when we went for Ishan's, we went for one of our other friends, just
Sangeeta.
sisters.
Oh, yeah,
reception
yeah.
or whatever. Sana was full on talking to the
Yeah,
guys,
yeah.
and I was just like, okay.
That's
and
the
Sana
time-
was like, oh yeah, so
You
what
can
do you
start
do?
a
What else?
conversation and carry it on.
Yeah,
You
both
can't
of us
do
can't start a
nothing.
conversation
Haan,
for
okay.
like.
You
that's
ask
it.
one question maybe from where are you
Yeah.
from and then done.
Yeah, I remember the Sangeeta to like take both of them. I was like, guys, let's
Yeah,
go.
please.
She was talking for us.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, these are my friends. They also have mouths. Don't worry.
Yeah. Sana was a hit that
Yeah,
evening.
yeah.
Mhm.
Flattery. Who is most likely to end up in jail?
Me, bro, me. Some stupid shit I'll do.
Yeah, I think so.
Guys, I got a YouTube notification and I'm very excited.
Yay!
Guys, we're shooting on the terrace because we're scared to give corona to each other.
Each other's families. Each other
Yeah.
too, we must have given only. We spend
Yeah,
almost
for sure.
all like every day we meet. But
Yeah,
we
but
have
like,
old people in our family.
yeah, exactly. So we aren't like going to each other's houses and all. That's why the only place to shoot is the terrace. So that's why we're here.
I'm just saying this question because I want to target someone. But
Probably.
who is most
Me.
likely to cancel plans at the last second? Woo!
Listen, this
so
is my
moody.
biggest problem with
She is so
everybody.
moody.
Okay, so even
She'll
my
be getting-
school friends, I'm the biggest flake. I am literally the biggest flake.
is.
That's nothing to be proud of.
I know that's
By
nothing.
the
I know that's nothing to be
They should
proud
act
of.
like,
I
oh, I'm
know,
so
I
cool.
know.
Like,
Yeah.
I was
It's mean, irritating.
No, I know. I'm extremely moody. Like 1 minute I'll be like, oh yeah, let's go next minute I'll be like, bro,
So many times she's like, oh come, we'll take pictures, we'll get ready and all. I'll do all makeup, everything and come and then she'll be like,
And then I get a
"In
call
your
from Tanisha
pajamas."
saying, Yeah, so Sia ditched me and
Again.
I'm like, oops, I'm in the library.
I'm sorry.
I'm not a
I
part
will-
of this.
I will be a better friend. I will not flake on my
Never.
friend.
This is only for the video guys. Don't believe this shit. Most likely to blow all their money on an impulse buy.
She is.
I get money, I have to spend.
Yeah. Oh my
Savings?
god.
Is that a concept?
This
Not
girl spends shopping the don't even ask only. Like recently she came and she told me that I spent so much money and then my mom was like now I can't spend anymore. Then
She went
after
2 weeks later?
Yeah,
2
she
weeks.
spent. And I was like, bro, Tanisha's got
difficult.
some other trip only. She buys things that she doesn't need.
She knows she will need them in the future. What are you saying?
Yeah,
I
That's
may
our
need
logic.
Of course, yeah.
I mean, it benefits us because like we get to use her clothes
Yeah.
and she doesn't want them.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys liked hanging out with us. And I'll see you guys next time.